Hey everyone, Kyle here. Today we're going to discuss how to open NatWest bank account online. So let's get started. So now here we are on NatWest and this is their website. So if you want to go here, go into natwest.com and then from here you can start creating your bank account. So the first step that we're going to do is navigate here into the product section on the top left. And from here, click on bank accounts and click on see all our bank accounts. And then from here, you would now be able to see all the bank accounts that is available on NatWest. And from here, you can choose the one that you think is the right one for you. So you can just take your time exploring the bank accounts right here, reading what it's all about. So for example, as you can see right here in the student bank account, this is its benefits, this is what you'll get. And the child and teen bank account, you have your everyday bank account and so on right here. So let's say we would want to create a student bank account right here. So this is very common. So if you would want to create this one, you want to click on this button right here, says continue to student account. Click on that. And then we will now be prompted here into the student bank account page where we can learn more about student bank accounts specifically. So from here, we're going to scroll down and then why open a student bank account. You might want to read this so that you can understand more about this account. And student bank account offers this one right here and so on. So this student account packs a punch. That is why it's award winning and so on. So now once you have read all of this about this bank account and you are now ready to apply, you just simply need to click here on the ready to apply button and then you will be navigated here. So these are the things that you should know first. So first things first, you can apply if you are age 17 or over, have been living in the UK for at least 3 years and so on right here. So it is very important that you qualify with these requirements right here. Because if you don't, then chances are you might not get accepted in opening a bank account here in NatWest. So make sure you review this thoroughly. And now once you're sure that you are qualified, now you can click here on continue right there. And then from here, let's say I'm a completely new customer and I'm gonna go for 3 years or more. And then from here, let's say yes, for example. So of course you would want to answer this based on your own case. So click here on start your application and then this would pop up right here. So it would depend on your browser, but this is how it would go if you are using a Chrome. And then here it is right here. So now this is the application sheet that you would need to fill up right here. So there will be a lot of steps with this, but all of this are just personal information about you. So you don't need any special guidance for that because it's your own personal information. And also since this is a student account, then you might need to upload your IDs and so on. We have already discussed that before we went into the application process, as you can remember with the requirements before you can proceed. So make sure that you qualify for those so that you would have a process that is smooth in opening your bank account. And that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.